Welcome to the Zettalane product demo. Today I'll show you two products for high performance cloud storage, MayaScale for block storage and MayaNAS for NFS. Both deploy in minutes with a single command. Let's start with the problem. Cloud block storage wasn't designed for demanding workloads. First, latency. EBS and persistent disk deliver 1 to 3 milliseconds, but databases and analytics need sub-millisecond for optimal performance. Second, IOPS. EBS IO2 maxes out at 256K IOPS per volume. Real workloads need millions of IOPS. Third, cost. High performance IO2 costs little over 12 cents per gig plus extra per IOPS. That adds up fast. MayaScale solves all three: 2.3 million IOPS, sub-millisecond latency with server-side RAID 1 for data protection. Same story with managed file services. Expensive. Managed NFS costs about 20 cents per gig per month. 100 terabytes is 20K a month just for storage. Limited throughput. Managed services cap at 1 to 2 gigabytes per second. AI training and media workloads need more 10x more. Capacity constraints. You pre-provision and pay for what you allocate, not what you use. Can't scale down. MayaNAS delivers 11 gigabytes per second throughput with unlimited capacity at 75% lower cost. Here is what we offer. Two products, same platform, any cloud. MayaScale, block storage using NVMe over fabrics. 2.3 million IOPS, sub-millisecond latency. Server-side mirroring for HA, perfect for databases and analytics. MayaNAS, NFS storage using ZFS, 11 gigabytes per second. Throughput, NVMe for metadata, object storage for capacity. Active HA, perfect for AI training and media. Both run on GCP, AWS, and Azure. Both deploy with a single command. Let's dive into MayaScale. Three key differentiators. One, sub-millisecond latency. We use NVMe over TCP to deliver near local NVMe performance over the network. Two, server-side mirroring with dual NIC architecture. The client write once, storage nodes handle replication internally. Zero client overhead, 50% less network traffic. Three, high availability, synchronous mirror with automatic failover. So here is the comparison. So 2.3 million read IOPS versus 256K for EBS, sub-millisecond versus 1 to 3 milliseconds, server-side mirror versus client-side replication. Let me show you how easy it is to deploy MayaScale. First, make sure your cloud CLI is fully authenticated and working. This means gcloud auth login was done for GCP, etc. Clone the repo, cd into it, and then run validate MayaScale.sh with your project and deployment name. So that's it, one command. Let me run this now. So here are the files where I already cloned the repo. So I'm going to run validate MayaScale.sh to see the usage. So the main argument is you need to provide a cloud provider, so GCP, AWS, etc. For GCP, you need to specify the project ID. And similarly, there are other cloud provider specific options. And here is our performance policies. You just have to select a performance policy, and the Terraform will automatically deploy the instances for you to achieve those IOPS. So let me start with GCP. I'm going to name the cluster as a demo. Here it shows the type of policy it's deploying. So by default, it chooses the standard performance.